What's going down, everybody? Welcome back, man. So check it out, dude. It's Sunday, and with that, happy Sunday, fellas. So it has been raining off and on all day, man. It's wet outside right now. The sun just barely came out. Now, I'm not planning on getting out there and laying underneath the 03 Ram and getting that bumper backing bar off, because we need to straighten it up well enough that that bumper right there, that bumper cover right there, will fit nice on the truck. And that's the goal. Now, with that being stated, I have been out here messing around, guys. I know y'all can see right here beside me, kind of behind me, the pit bike parts. So, I got out here early this morning, man. I blew the whole bike apart. So I went and bought some paint. We're gonna try to color match it to the white truck, to the '09. But I don't wanna go down and spend $15 a can of paint. So this is where we're at so far anyway. Now, I went down, this is what I bought right here. It is Arctic White, that's the color. So I just bought a couple of cans. It's the closest thing I could see that almost looks like the truck without spending 15 bucks a can. It was only like 6. Now, the whole video I shot earlier, I'm having issues with my computer not having the right stuff on there for it to play the videos on the new camera, the Hero 12 Black. Now, with all that, dude, so I'm gonna show you, here's the swing arm and both rims. There's the frame. We've already put one coat on it this morning. And then here's the rest of the parts. So, I gotta get some sandpaper and clean all this up. We're not gonna paint none of that. There's the engine. We will clean it up, but I'm gonna leave it like that also. The plastics are gonna stay the same. The tank, I'm gonna clean it up. It's gonna stay the same. The fender will. I'm gonna repaint the pegs and the kickstand black. And then I might take this bracket off right here and paint it white and leave the caliper black. And then I'm also gonna leave the handlebars black, and then I'm gonna paint these white, leave these chrome, and that brushed aluminum. So that is the plan. I have already gotten started. We're going with our second coat of paint. I know you see the parts hanging already. I got my plastic down. So yeah, y'all just sit back and relax, man. Take it easy, enjoy the content. Pit bike content coming at you. We're gonna get some more things painted up, taped up, and painted up also. And then that'll be what's up, man. So y'all just hang tight. They're rolling with it, man. So I got my forks taped and painted here, right? Got the bottom of my frame painted. Got another coat on my wheels, my subframe, which I think is turning out really nice. And that's without clear coat. So, now I also got my pegs down here. Painting both of my pegs, my kickstand. We're gonna make them black and new and shiny. And that's that, man. I mean, besides that, man, I got overspray on some of my pieces here, which that didn't make me too happy, but it is what it is. So, I'm gonna continue on. We're gonna come over here. I'm gonna clean this up. We're not gonna paint it, we're just gonna clean it up. I'm gonna sand both of my rotors, or both of my discs, and make them shiny. And that'll be that, man. So, with all that, dude, I'm gonna probably try to do one more coat of paint. I'll give y'all one more shot. Excuse me. And then we'll end this video. I'm trying to keep it short and sweet and keep y'all in the loop. Here it is, man. So I gotta redo my forks. I got some dirt on there. Once they dry, I gotta clean them up and redo them. The frame got another coat on there. It's looking pretty sharp. Swing arm, another coat on there. Come around here and show you. Looking sweet. The rims, they got another coat on there and they're looking sweet. So they are not clear coated. They only got 2 coats of paint. And then, like I stated earlier, man, there's overspray on everything. So I did clean my sprocket and my disc. If you remember earlier in the video how rusty they were. And then I'm amazed at how the sprocket come out. Look at this. Just a little bit of sandpaper and some elbow grease, man. Got that thing shining right up. Now, that is all I'm gonna be able to do today. So it is starting to get dark out here. And that's all I'm going to do. So with all that, man, keep living the dream. Doing your thing. Like and subscribe. Next pit bike episode. Wow. Next pit bike episode. We'll go back together with it. And then we'll see what it looks like all put back together with the new paint job. So with all that, keep living the dream. Doing your thing. Like and subscribe. Always drop your boy a comment. And I'm rolling out.